which is rich in the mineral.
Oh, they're laying down.
So, as flamingos mature, their feathers do take on the pink coloration.
Are they sleeping?
A group of flamingos, just like the one on our left,
I thought they
is also
sleep
called
standing
a
up.
flamboyance.
Duckies.
Considered to be the most of the rhino species, so they do spend a majority of their life in their own family group. Groups of rhinos, those
They're
can
so
also be
social.
referred to as a crash. Looks like we did find a majority of the crash to the left-hand side, pretty close to their mud wallow. Rhinos will dig into the ground in order to create and uncover mud. They're able to use the mud as a cooling mechanism.
so
They'll lay down in
cute.
it and roll around to cool their
They look
bodies
just
down.
like you.
And once the mud dries on their skin,
That's how
it
you
works
eat
as
in
a
the morning.
sunscreen and also a bug repellent. So it does help rhinos keep. Rhinos are nearsighted animals. They can only see about 20 feet in an hour. Cheetahs can go 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds. It does take them only a very lion.
Hey, you see it? I don't see it. It's up there.
Looks like she did just walk out of sight. Maybe we'll catch up to her on the other side.
Oh, I like that.
Lions are nocturnal predators, so they do spend a majority of their day resting, usually anywhere between 16 to 20 hours. At night is when lions hunt. Females are responsible for a majority of the hunting for their pride. The males typically stay home, and they'll do their best to keep their pride and their territory protected. Lions do have an eyesight very similar to ours during the day, and at night they're able to see about 6 times better than we can.